Weather Underground is a commercial weather service that provides real-time weather information via the Internet. Weather Underground provides weather reports for most major cities across the world on its website, as well as local weather reports for newspapers and websites. Most of its United States information comes from the National Weather Service, as information from that agency is within the public domain by federal law. The website is available in many languages, and an ad-free version of the site with additional features is available for an annual fee. Since 2012, it has been owned by the Weather Company, also owners of the Weather Channel. History: based in San Francisco, California, it was founded in 1995 as an offshoot of the University of Michigan's Internet Weather Database. The name is a reference to the 1960s militant radical student group the Weather Underground, which also originated at the University of Michigan. Jeff Masters, then a PhD candidate in meteorology at the University of Michigan working under the direction of Professor Perry Sampson, wrote a menu-based telnet interface in 1991 that displayed real-time weather information around the world. In 1993 they recruited Alan Sterenberg and initiated a project to bring Internet weather into K-12 classrooms. WU's president, Alan Sterenberg wrote Blue Skies, a graphical Mac Gopher client, for the project which won several awards. When the Mosaic web browser appeared, this provided a natural transition from Blue Skies to the web. In 1995 Weather Underground, Incorporated evolved as a commercial entity separate from the university. It has grown to provide weather for print sources, in addition to its online presence. In 2005 Weather Underground became the weather provider for the Associated Press. WU also provides weather reports for some newspapers and the Google search engine. Alan Sterenberg, Weather Underground's president, also worked on the early development of Google's search engine with Larry Page and Sergey Brin. In October 2008, Jeff Masters reported that the site was number 2 in Internet weather for 2008. In February 2010, FullScreenWeather.com, a full-screen weather web tool was launched with integrated mapping and mobile device use in mind. On July 2, 2012, the Weather Channel announced that it would acquire Weather Underground, which will become operated as part of the Weather Channel Companies, LLC. The Weather Underground website continues to operate as a separate entity from the Weather Channel's primary website weather.com with its existing staff retained. The Weather Company also uses the site's San Francisco headquarters as a regional office. Blogs are one of the main features in Weather Underground, allowing users of the site to create blogs about weather, everyday life and anything else. Jeff Masters started the first blog on April 14, 2005, and he now posts blog entries nearly every day. Richard B. Root has been writing blogs on climate change and societal response since 2007, with new entries on a weekly basis. Products: Weather Underground also uses observations from members with automated personal weather stations. The service distributes Internet radio feeds of NOAA weather radio stations from across the country, as provided by users. The Associated Press uses Weather Underground to provide national weather summaries. Weather Underground now has several Google Chrome extensions and applications for iPhone, iPad and Android including FullScreenWeather.com, a redirect to a full-screen weather viewer tied into Google Maps. See also, WHU, Program for Contributing Personal Weather Stations Observations, Arabia Weather, a meteorological company that provides weather services to all Arab countries in thousands of cities and locations. References. External links: Wonderground.com, Weather Underground's main web portal, Weather, the original service that Weather Underground branched from, Weather Underground's wiki page, Weather Underground on Local Wiki, Weather Underground Braille page, a simple text page ideal for screen readers used by the blind, and also useful for those with slow internet connections.